Hello there, this is the video for the first experiment of compiler lab. So in this experiment, I'm going to talk about token separation. So in this experiment, I have to perform token separation of a subset of a language and count the number of tokens present in the program. So for this, the input and output formats are given here. Like for input, I'm taking a particular set of a block of program like a declaration and some operations, and in this we have to get the output in this form, which is the tokens. So this let us see the program. So I have done this program in Python. I am importing re, and I have a file called token.txt in which I have a block of program, and that block of program has to be converted into tokens. So I'm opening the file with the open command, and that file is stored in fl variable. Now I have to read that file, so read function is used to read the file, and I'm printing the content of the file just to be sure. And then I have an array called line, and I'm splitting the each and every word present inside the content of the file using split function, and this is the regular expression which is used to split word by word. Now I'm printing each word with the use of for loop. Now here I have defined set of keywords, punctuation, operators, and identifiers. So like keywords like in, float, double string, punctuation has comma, hyphen, semicolon, and operators. I have an identifier array, and I have count variables also for each keyword, punctuation, operator, and identifiers. So let us see how it works. So first of all, I have taken a for loop in which my range is from 0 to length of the array, that is till the content of the file ends. Now I have a variable and v called initialized to 0. I have a line I, so each and every word will be stored in line array. So if the value is space, then v will be equal to 1, and the loop will be continued. And if it's not space, if it's keyword, the array will be stored in the keyword array, and that keyword array will be printed out in the form of token. And I have to increment the count variable keyword. Also v will be equal to 1, and it will break out from the loop. Similarly for punctuations, operators, and identifiers, I am if a punctuation comes in the line array, it will be stored in the punctuation array, and it will be displayed as punctuation token. Similarly for operators and identifier. So if identifier comes, will be equal to 0, and rest will be equal to 1, because I have to display. So if v equal to 0, I am appending the identifiers into the array id1, and that array will be now displayed in the form of identifiers, and I have to increment the count variable identifier with 1. And at last I am showing all the number of keywords, punctuation, operators, and identifiers that are present inside the content of the file. So let us check whether it's working or not. So it's a Python file. So as you can see here, this is the content that is inside my file. So I'm printing the same content with every space, So now, as you can see here, keyword int, all the contents are present in the file are converted into tokens. Keyword int, a is identifier operator equal to second identifier 10, punctuation, semicolon, keyword double again, third identifier add, fourth identifier, and this is keyword double, fifth identifier x, punctuation comma, then keyword double, then sixth identifier y, then seventh identifier parenthesis, closing bracket. So as you can see here, it's showing the number of keywords, punctuation, operators, and identifiers. So in this way, you can do token separation. Thank you for watching my video.